Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says that I'm not a Brahmachari, I'm not a Grihastha. So is this what we are supposed to understand from the statement that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu makes there?
Yes. I am not Brahmachari, Sannyasi, etc., etc. At the same time, I can have a role play of a Brahmachari, Sannyasi, etc. Is it not? So as long as you know it's a role play as to serve my ego. What is my real ego? I am servant of Krishna. They should serve me. Brahmachari, the identity that I am a Brahmachari and all the do's and don'ts and desires of Brahmachari should serve whom? Serve me. Who is me? I am servant of Krishna. Take away I from everything else. Only one definition, I am servant of Krishna. A functional definition. Functional definition is enough now because we are only talking about activity. And when our activity is re-established, then our existential identity also will manifest. Our spiritual body will manifest. Now now if somebody tells you, okay, this is your spiritual body, what you will do with it? Your spiritual body is that you are a bird, you say, in Goloka Vrindavan. What will you do? Because here you are not having a bird's body. Isn't it? So there is no use to know. But it is very useful to know that you are a servant of Krishna, because their bird is also servant of Krishna. A gopi is also servant of Krishna. Dust is also servant of Krishna. That's what I said. A great revelation is our eternal functional identity. Our existential identity, who I am not told. But what are you is told. And that much I can add, because everything, you take this karta. There is an existential substance, then there is a functional. Two aspects to everything, substance and function. So one half of it, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is revealed. Who are you? You are servant of Krishna. Suppose this kartal is told, your function is to give musical sound. So then the kartal knows what, okay, at least something about myself I know. But what exactly shape, my form, everything, I may not know. But you don't need that now. So we don't need those forms now. If you perfect servitude, if you perfect my functional identity that I am servant of Krishna, if that is on the top always, self-identification. Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, always be fixed in the self. What is that self? That self is, I am servant of Krishna.